Today we are going to learn how to spell different birds' name in our channel, Papa Kids Object Learning. Shall we go? Avocet, A-V-O-C-E-T, avocet. Bald eagle, B-A-L-D-E-A-G-L-E, bald eagle. Barn swallow, B-A-R-N-S-W-A-L-L-O-W, barn swallow. Barred owl, B-A-R-R-E-D-O-W-L, barred owl. Blackcap, B-L-A-C-K-C-A-P, blackcap. Blue jay, B-L-U-E-J-A-Y, blue jay. Blue tit, B-L-U-E-T-I-T, blue tit. Bluethroat, B-L-U-E-T-H-R-O-A-T, bluethroat. Brambling, B-R-A-M-B-L-I-N-G, brambling. Bunting, B-U-N-T-I-N-G, bunting. Bustard, B-U-S-T-A-R-D, bustard. Canary, C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. Cardinal, C-A-R-D-I-N-A-L, cardinal. Carrion crow, C-A-R-R-I-O-N-C-R-O-W, carrion crow. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.